Honda Center at First and Boundary in Burnaby, British Columbia has been delivering dreams since 1965. And now, with the new Honda MiniMoto lineup, a new generation of two-wheeled enthusiasts will be born. For those coming back who remember what it was like to ride a Ruckus or take a ride on a brand new scooter. Ah, those memories. The Navi, 100 miles to the gallon and 80 kilometers an hour, the perfect small commuter vehicle. The Ruckus, generations of smiles. The Giorno, classic scooter, and the Grom, a world unto its own. And of course the monkey bike. And for the really adventurous ones, there is always a Yeti snow bike. Get out on the slopes and deep powder with Yeti and a Honda CRF 450R. See you soon at the Honda Center, First and Boundary, www.hondacenter.com.